Do you know how easy to cook products are manufactured? Come, let us see. The state-of-art GMP facility, spread across an area of 36,000 square feet, is equipped with dry blend technology. The facility is HACCP and ISO 22000 certified. While we enter, let us take care of certain hygiene protocols. Before we start, an oath is taken to provide the best products for a happy dining. Now that we are ready, let us see what are the stages the materials undergo. Procurement. All the ingredients are procured fresh from trusted vendors who comply with the rules of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Certificate of analysis shows that each raw material is good for consumption. As these raw materials arrive, we further process them to check for the presence of any foreign particles. They are also tested in our in-house lab to ensure that our easy-to-cook products are made from only the best ingredients. Production.
In our R&D center, highly qualified, trained professionals strive to bring out the best food products. We have been successful in developing more than 100 easy-to-cook products.
Production of these products involve the materials undergoing various processes before they are blended to perfection. Quality. Once processed, the products are checked for safety. Then, they are tested for aroma, texture, taste, and color with reference to the golden sample developed. In addition to these, our products are also tested at various external labs.
Our commitment to quality and health are always held high. We deliver 100% natural, preservative and chemical-free products to our consumers.
Packaging. All the products we manufacture must reach our customers with the same quality. Hence, we make use of the best-in-class dual material package. The package acts as a strong barrier between the product and the environment. The automated packaging lines ensure the last line of quality and quantity. The facility is also associated with various multinational organizations on the basis of contract research and manufacturing.